What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is an awesome video because I've never filmed one before and I'm super excited, but I'm going to do a cook and clean with me video, as you've seen in the title. And this also is a collab with Brandy from Curvy Mommy Glam. She is another mama here on YouTube. She does lifestyle videos, she does homemaking videos, kids related videos, cleaning videos, all of the good stuff that I know you guys would like. So you guys should definitely go check her out after you watch my video. Show her some support, let her know that I sent you, please. And that's it. So we are gonna go ahead and jump right into this video, keep the intro short. If you are over here from her channel, hello, my name is Lindsay. I will have a bunch of videos in the description box for you to check out and see if it's worth subscribing, if my channel is worth subscribing to. Today I am gonna be trying a new meal, like a Betty Crocker meal, and I'm super excited. So anyway, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. All right, you guys, so here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. It's super simple, just a few ingredients. This is 1 cup of milk, a cup of medium sharp cheese, 2 eggs, some salt, onion, Bisquick, and we get the gluten-free kind, and then a pound of meat. And if I get regular hamburger meat, I get 93% lean. I usually get turkey meat, but for this, we're gonna want regular hamburger meat. And yeah, and then I get this kind of salt instead of your traditional salt. It's pink Himalayan salt. This is just a little bit healthier choice. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and heat up your oven. We're going to heat it up to 400 degrees. Oop. What you're going to want to do next is get a glass pie pan, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my pan and then spray it. Woo. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook our hamburger meat and the onions. So first I'm gonna go ahead and put these onions down. Well, first I'm gonna put this down. Alright, you guys, so I really like to sizzle up some of my veggies at the bottom of the pan when I'm trying to, like, garlic and onions and things like that. When I'm cooking, it just brings more flavor. Oh, look at that onion. It just gives off more flavor, and I just like it. It tastes a lot better when you do this. Kind of sizzle and cook the onion before we mix everything in. This is when we're gonna go ahead and add our sprinkled cheese. So just sprinkle that all around. Okay, so the last things we're gonna do is make the sauce to top it off with. So we're gonna do half a cup of that Bisquick, a cup of milk, 2 eggs. We're gonna go ahead and pour this stuff all over here. Woo! Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set our timer for 25 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and clean up our little mess here and see what we got.
wanna get down with you. The last time I can call you mine. What's wrong and I swear we are through. Get down with you. The last time I can call you mine.
Food's done. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning, and then we're gonna go ahead and serve up the plates and try it out and let you guys know how it tastes.
I just wanna get down with you. The last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one I've ever seen. All night, all wild, howling at the moon. You've got me in a place unknown, free falling and I'm letting go. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else.
All right, so we are gonna go ahead and serve up. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and added a couple pickles and some ketchup, so it is definitely like a cheeseburger, but in a fun, creative way. So it absolutely tastes amazing. You guys should definitely check out the recipe. I'll put it down in the description box. And Ava, where are you? You are welcome. Good job. You like it? All right, you guys, so if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I do have my question of the day, and that is, do you use regular hamburger meat or lean turkey ground meat for your burgers and your spaghettis and those. Which do you guys rather use? So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and also don't forget to check out Brandy's channel. If you're over here from Brandy's channel, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. That would be great, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.